Hello tourists, hello everyone, my name is Arturo Tomás Navarro Mesa and I am a tourist guide by Zona Viajes y Turismo. In this occasion, I will guide you through the natural wonders that the mystical Tulum has in the Riviera Maya. I have been a certified tour guide for 2 years, specializing in this type of tours. Thank you for choosing us as your tour operator. We are so excited to be here with you. Like you very sweet and sunset because the weather will be like French chicken. Well, not so much like that. Vive Tulum by Zona Viajes y Turismo is a cultural and natural tour where the tourists will be able to get to know the most emblematic places of Tulum through a wider tour and archaeological sites, beaches, and themed clubs, all this while learning important facts about the place and giving the tourists a great experience with this beautiful place. During 3 days, we will visit different places of Tulum, from beautiful beaches like Playa Paraíso and the view of Playa de las Ruinas to its incredible and historical archaeological sites like Cova, like Tulum, that will make you imagine how the Mayans lived hundreds years ago. But that is not all. Guess what? Yes, we will also have time for the nightlife like Conestacia and Bagaloo. Activities: visit the archaeological sites like Tuluancova, visit the beautiful beaches like Playa Paraíso and the view of Playa de las Ruinas, visit Hotel Som of Tulum, bike ride through the Hotel Som of Tulum, visit to Cenote Calavera, cultural activities how they visit museums and statues of international artists like Come to Life, visit the best and thematic beaches clubs like Conestacia, like Bagaloo, etc. And finally, visit the most emblematic and Instagrammable points of Tulum like this, and like this. In order to carry out these tours in the best possible way, it is recommended to follow the instructions for this tour. Number one, as a preventive measure for COVID-19, it's very necessary to use a face shield or mask at the time, except when you take a ascent to eat food. Number two, be punctual for all the activities to be carried out. Number three, follow the instructions indicated by the tour operator and the tour guides every time. Number five, do not alter the ecosystem, please. Number six, use biodegradable sunscreen. Number seven, enjoy respecting everything established in the regulations. Number eight, once the activities of the day are finished and we are back at the hotel, it will be necessary to sign a document stating that each tourist is back in the place where they are staying. And number nine, this role is very important. Sign the document of deliverance of responsibilities where it is specified that the tourist is in healthy conditions to be in this tour, and where it releases the tour operator from all responsibility for any accidents that may happen. Challenge: that the tourists do not understand what they visit or it is planned for them. This can be prevented by giving a very personalized service at every tourist, or giving the laminate material where the tourists can watch sculpture come the light. It's in Hotel Awal, Bagaloo Beach Club, welcome party in Conestesia Beach Club. Conestesia is a space dedicated to rabbits and the fantasies that surround theme. Costumes, crafts, huts, pianos, and cocktails inspired by this mama. Conestesia is a word invented to put the word connection and synesthesia. Ready to turn into the rabbits? Enjoy your welcome party, second day, archaeological zone of Coba. Hello tourists, welcome to the amazing and pre-Hispanic Mayan series, the Great Coba. This place had a population of about 15,000 inhabitants and an area of 80 square kilometers. Most of the city was built in the middle of the classic period of the Mayan civilization. Okay guys, it's very necessary to mention the rules for this activity, okay? Respect the indications given by the tour guide. It's not allowed to go up to any of the constructions. And finally, food or large packages are not allowed. Okay, to start the tour, the first thing we are going to find on your right is Grupo Coba. Welcome to Cenote Calavera, tourists. Welcome to Cenote Calavera. This is a semi-open cenote to access the water. To access the water, you can go down using a ladder or by jumping. Recommendations for this attraction: use pre-agradable sunscreen and repellent to avoid damaging the fish. Wear light clothing and comfortable shorts around the cenote are stands. The other is you can bring water and food. The cenote does not have a restaurant. If you want to dive, it is important to have a certification and deep dive with certain personality. To enjoy. Lunch Mamma Mia. We have arrived at Mia Restaurant and Beach Club by Selena. Guys, on your right, we have the area reserved for all the tourists that this tour operator take advantage of this time to enjoy and relaxing drink and typical dishes of this region to recharge your energy, and after a while we can continue with our bike ride through the hotel zone of Tulum. See you in a short time. Ride the bike through Tulum Hotel Zone. The starting point is at Azulik Hotel. Here a bicycle with being assigned to each tourist. After this, the following instructions will be given. Hi guys, how did you sleep? Very well, excellent. We are on our last day of activities. We will visit different places and areas. We are on our last day of activities. We will visit different places and areas. To start, will we visit archaeological zone of Tulum, followed by the Playa de las Ruinas and Playa Paraíso. Do not forget to bring your swimsuit and sunscreen because the weather is very hot. After enjoying these beautiful beaches, we will move to the Hotel Zone of Tulum, where we will visit very Instagrammable sites for lovers of Instagram and social networks. Okay, School Tube come on the light of our hotel. It's one of the first visits will we make when we arrive in this area. Will we also visit the Grand Museum of the Azulik Hotel, where we will be able to observe impressive works of art created with the natural. Will we also visit the famous the Seeing Follow the Dream? We will do a little exercise in Tulum Jungle Gym. and finally we will visit ice cream bar. Once we have visited these places, we will enjoy to Bagaloon Beach Clubs to have dinner and enjoy a while of the great party that is lived in this thematic place. Finally, we will return to the hotel to rest because the next day we will left early to the Cancun International Airport to take our flights back to Ciudad Obregón, Sonora.